gets the gene will get the disease. That parent can pass to 50% of the children that disease. So it can be passed genetically, to answer the question, if it's an immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay? But normal immunity you can't pass on. All that you can do, as I said, keep the mother healthy, happy, well-fed, well-cared for, well-loved. And if she does all of that, she gives her baby the best chance to have a good immunity. Obviously, her entire environment, her work stressors, everything comes into play for those 9 months, and I would say even before that, when she's thinking of conceiving also, it becomes very, very important. And other than the immunodeficiencies, nothing can be genetically transmitted really when it comes to your immune system. Your immune system is very smart. God has given it, universe, whatever you believe in it, has given it hundreds of checks and balances. If this goes wrong, this corrects it. If that goes wrong, that corrects it. When all of that goes wrong in a sequence is when you end up with a disease. So genetically you don't get, and I tell this for any disease, even if you take diabetes or hypertension, I get patients who say मेरे mother father को था, grandfather को था, इसीलिए मेरे को हुआ. मैंने बोला parents ने disease नहीं दिया, parents ने risk दिया, disease तुमने खुद manifest किया है. अपने आदतों से, through your habits, through your lifestyle, through your diet, through your way of thinking, through your way of taking stress, all of those things, your sleep habits. So genetics, other than for immunodeficiency, no concerns for the immune system.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Like you mentioned about Garbha Sanskar that was practiced. We even now have practices that talk about how your mind should be when it is time for even conception.
Absolutely.
That your stresses or your happiness is passed on to the child.
Absolutely.
We saw in pandemic there were a lot of medicines given. And to curb certain outcomes that came to COVID-19. Are there any strengthening agents post COVID, or what would you advise that we protect us? How can we protect ourselves from such pandemics if they happen in the future?
So I'll tell you my observation of what I saw people doing, because I interacted with thousands of them, as I said, during the immunity. You all may think that मेरे पास कोई secret formula है जो मैं नहीं बता रहा हूँ. Okay? डॉक्टर उपुर ने बहुत सारे फॉर्मूला बताए आप लोगों को. I wish immunity के लिए कोई ऐसा फॉर्मूला होता जो मैं बोल सकता. Immunity का कोई एक फॉर्मूला नहीं है. आप obviously there are masters in Ayurveda here. They know clearly want well-defined clinical research trials, well-done investigations, so that even we can think about incorporating those into our practices. What I believe or what I think does not apply to everyone else. Okay? But the bottom line is, right from all the things I've mentioned to the right kind of maintaining your vitamin D level, your B12 level, all of these things, okay? Having the right diet, the right sleep, the right 500 million people, okay? To the most recent, what was called the Spanish flu, which you all may have heard about, spoken a lot during the COVID. Powerful things in each one of them, which has to be customized to each person. And if you do that, even if the pandemic comes and goes, I did not stop practicing one day also in the pandemic. Why? Because I had tried to take care of myself. God said that it would be successful, but the bottom line is you have to have that confidence in yourself that even if the next pandemic comes, you're well prepared for it.
I think we had such wonderfully proactive doctors like yourself.
Age above 50, there's so much risk. 60, even more. 70, even more, because your immune system is aging. Okay, it's a simple aging process. There is no rocket science to it. If you lead the right life, you can have the same immune system as a 20-year-old at the age of 90 also, but it requires what I call effort. Because nature will do what it has to do. जो पैदा हुआ है वो मरने वाला है, कोई भी अमर नहीं है, ये fact है. Okay. Second question, you're concerned about getting cancer because your dad had it, a natural and genuine risk. We know cancers that do run in the family. Commonest example is breast cancer. If the mother has it, the daughter has a very high chance or a higher than normal chance of getting it. So again, it boils down to the same thing. You can't do anything specifically for that cancer. Okay? You have to do everything you can for your general immunity. Not everything is applicable today, but there is a lot that can still be done. Eat healthy, eat fresh. I can get into a lot of details, but you know, the way we are today, our desires have outgrown our capacities, if I may put it. And when our desires outgrow our capacities, stress is a very big factor from where all the decline happens. So somewhere we have to also teach our kids those things about how to have a rational way of thinking, an emotional quotient and intelligence, the right way of dealing with life, realistic expectations. Our parents didn't give us everything we wanted, and today we are much better because of that. Today's parents, everything the child desires, the parents want to give the child. मेरे को नहीं मिला ना, मैं उसको देने वाला हूँ या उसको देने वाली हूँ. Okay? तो again you see my answers are so generic. You may feel कि डॉक्टर ने कुछ बताया ही नहीं, लेकिन मैं जो बता रहा हूँ उसमें पूरी जिंदगी आ गई.
Thank you so much.
Today, then she will introduce it for today. So, but what we are doing in our generation, we are buying vegetables and fruits and we are stacking it in the fridge for a week or maybe 10 days, maybe more than that for some people. So, what do you suggest on that, sir? Is it a right practice to do?
You're talking of only stacking the fresh ones. I know people who stack the prepared ones for 14 days and keep taking it out and
The foundation of health, our digestion, digestive system, to what we heard, before the college, and I'm actually meeting him directly after college. I was once back senior to St. J.S. Medical College and KU Hospital. Okay, this is all, right? So I'm very happy to meet him straight up. Junk food, both the speakers before me have spoken about junk food. It has become a routine, it's become a ritual, it's become a habit for all of us to consume junk food every single day. And try as much as you want to justify it to yourself, but we are all victims of that, and we are all doing that on a daily basis. You have to throw it out. There is no question about it that is spoiling our basic genetic makeup also. A lot of people who are asking if it gets transmitted. Yes, over a period of generations, if you continue to westernize your diet, like Dr. Satish was saying, if you try to ape the West and do all the things that you're doing, we are actually already seeing the consequences. In India, or in Indians, when we were training in MBBS, colon cancer incidence was not so high. Today, we get patients who are coming with colon cancer in population as young as 30 in the late.
हेल्थ की बात हो रही है कोविड के बाद इसके बारे में लोग ज़्यादा बात करने लगे. कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हेल्थ के बारे में बात की जाए और उसके ऊपर इनिशिएटिव लिया जाए, स्पेशली क्या कहना चाहिए?
नहीं तो वही जो आपने बोला वो एक्चुअली सही है कि कोविड के बाद लोगों की जिज्ञासा हेल्थ के लिए इतनी बढ़ गई है और इतने सवाल हैं कि चरक फार्मा और वेदिश्री जो अपनी कंपनी है इतनी सालों से जो आयुर्वेद में प्रसिद्ध है, हमको लगा कि इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि लोगों को ये जो क्वेश्चन है राइट इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू द राइट नॉलेज एंड विद एक्सपीरियंस पीपल जो ज़रूरी है उससे उस हिसाब से बात करें और ये सवालों का जवाब और आंसर्स दें. So it's very important to give the right information, source credibility, and which is why we have started with this initiative of Vedistri Holistic Health to help spread this information.
सर आप सबसे पहले अपना एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए और उसके बाद बताइए कि चारक जो ये आपने इसकी स्थापना कब की थी और वेदिश्री क्या है और आज जो यहाँ पर डॉक्टर सेशन किया गया है इसके बारे में बताइए किस तरह से ये सेशन किया गया.
So my personal introduction is I'm Dr. Ram Shroff. I'm one of the owner family members of Charak Pharma. Charak Pharma is one of the leading Ayurvedic companies in India for more than 7 decades, and we export to all over the world. In addition to, of course, having many people in India, some of the leading doctors of India, be it Ayurvedic or gynecologists or physicians, prescribe our medicines. We have started a new company called Vedistri, which is now going direct to consumers, and within which we have various range of products like Kofol, which is for immunity, like Dipya for digestion, and we also have our Zovin, which is for sleep. And these three are very important subjects which everyone today is suffering with or having questions for. And we said it's best to have and invite experts in various fields to discuss about these, enlighten people about these issues and concerns, and which is why we started this initiative of Vedistri Holistic Health, so we can reach direct to our consumers and try and help them to lead better lives.
कितने प्रोडक्ट हैं सर आपके?
प्रोडक्ट तो बहुत सारे हैं. I think more than 300 products across both the companies. So it covers literally head to toe, be it in our health range or be it even in our personal care range, which is our Moha products.
अच्छा सर, जिस तरह से भी पतंजलि को लेकर के जिस रामदेव बाबा विवाद में आ गए हैं, कुछ एलोपैथी दवाएं उनके ऊपर केस वगैरह के विवाद चल रहा है, उसके लिए आपका प्रोडक्ट है, किस तरह से, मतलब आप उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे और आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या गारंटी देता है, मतलब जो स्वास्थ्य के लिए?
आई थिंक मैं उस टॉपिक पे बहुत कमेंट नहीं करना चाहता, बट आई थिंक be it Ayurveda, be it allopathy, be it modern medicine, be it any system, I think it should be practiced by people who have knowledge of that system. It should be within reasonable comments of what works, what does not work. And I think experts should, deal with these situations rather than general this thing. We are very clear that we make only claims where we are very, very confident and we have scientific proof which shows that the product works, and which is why we've been doing this for more than 7 decades, and some of the topmost doctors support us and prescribe our products. So even when we are going to direct to consumers, we are very careful on what we have to say and where we kind of draw the line. So, and as I said, holistic health, when we are saying, we're not limiting it to only Ayurveda or alternate medicine, because there is a need for every type of medicine or system of medicine bases the condition of the patient. I think that is very important to this thing, because everyone has to eventually work towards the benefit of the patient, and keep that in mind.
And how much is it cost effective and
You mean our products? Our products are extremely cost effective. In fact, very, very cost effective. Our average price of our product is not more than about 300 rupees, so which is nothing today, actually. And looking at the kind of, great interest that consumers are having in self-medication, self-health, etc. Now we're going to soon start a subscription model where we will have doctors who will kind of give advice, etc. and build, then of course they can prescribe from our own range or otherwise. But as I mentioned, that we have a huge range of products now which literally covers from head to toe. So yeah, I think that will benefit. Thank you.
Practicing Ayurveda medicine for the last 24 years in Goa. By God's grace, we have a very good practice where we are able to successfully treat people from all walks of life, from the commonest man to the elitist of the country, actors, politicians alike. I'm so glad that Charak Pharmacy, with which we have grown up. When I started my practice 25 years ago, it was Charak where I started my practice with the Charak formulations. And today we are so glad that Charak is doing very well, Vedistri is doing very well, and nutraceutical has become the new trend of the world.
आज यहाँ पर जो चरक का जो सेशन है, डॉक्टर लोग का सेशन हुआ है, आपने जिस तरह से लोगों के सवालों का जवाब दिया है, तो उसके बाद किस तरह के क्वेश्चन आपको मिले और आपने उनका किस तरह से समाधान बताया है?
नमस्ते, मैं डॉक्टर जयदीप पालेप हूँ। मैं एक गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल और वेट लॉस सर्जन हूँ। मुंबई में प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ पिछले 20-22 साल से, और आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ पे चरक के वेदिश्री के होलिस्टिक हीलिंग वाले प्रोग्राम में आकर एज अ गेस्ट स्पीकर। और मैंने बेसिकली पाचन शक्ति या डाइजेशन पे बात की, और इसकी जो हमारी ऑडियंस थी आज की, जो आम आदमी ऑडियंस में बैठे थे, उसमें काफ़ी चर्चा हुई इसकी वजह से और लोगों को काफ़ी ऐसे लगा शायद मेरे हिसाब से कि लोग जागरूक हुए हैं अपने खुद के बॉडी के बारे में और अपने हेल्थ के बारे में और किस तरह से खाना चाहिए और नहीं खाना चाहिए। इतने सारे जो सवाल पूछे लोगों ने, इसका मतलब ये है कि काफ़ी उत्सुकता थी लोगों में आज ये जानने के लिए कि हम कैसे हेल्दी रह सकते हैं या स्वस्थ रह सकते हैं।
चारक के बारे में आप सर इसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? मतलब ये बहुत सारे आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट हैं, लेकिन चारक इसमें क्या खासियत है?
अभी मैं आयुर्वेदा का एक्सपर्ट तो हूँ नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी मेरा आयुर्वेद से काफ़ी ताल्लुक़ रहा है बचपन से ही लेकर। चरक फार्मा एक ऐसा नाम है जो मैं मेरे बचपन से देखते आ रहा हूँ और उनकी जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, हर्बल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स है, वो हर घर में मौजूद हैं, बहुत सालों से मौजूद हैं। एंड ये एक अच्छी चीज़ है कि ये ट्रेडिशन को स्टिक करते हुए ये लोगों ने अपनी एक ब्रांड वैल्यू जो है, इमेज जो है, जो एथिकल ब्रांडिंग है वो मेंटेन रखी है पिछले 30-40 सालों से, क्योंकि मैं जब से देख रहा हूँ तब से चरक फार्मा है ही।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
एक एलर्जिस्ट और क्लिनिकल इम्यूनोलॉजिस्ट हूँ। मैं मुंबई बांद्रा में प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ। ऑलमोस्ट अभी 24 साल से एलर्जी इम्यूनोलॉजी के फील्ड में हूँ मैं।
आज यहाँ पर सर रजिस्ट्री और ये जो होलिस्टिक हेल्थ के बारे में जो इस तरह से यहाँ पर सेशन रखा गया था चरक फार्मा की तरफ से, उसके बारे में बताया किस तरह से आपने यहाँ पे लोगों का जो भी यहाँ पे उपस्थित थे उनका समाधान किया आपने?
तो हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम जो है वो बेसिकली हमारे बॉडी के हर एक ऑर्गन, हर एक टिश्यू में बहुत अहमियत रखता है। कोविड के टाइम पे लोगों को पता पड़ा था कि अगर इम्यून सिस्टम सही ना काम करे तो जान भी जा सकती है। तो उस इम्यून सिस्टम के बारे में कि वो किस भाग ऑफ द बॉडी या कौन से भाग में नहीं है, सब जगह होता है, वहाँ से लेकर उसको क्या चीज़ें अच्छा रखती है, क्या चीज़ें उसे इन्फ्लेम करती है या बिगाड़ती है या इम्बैलेंस करती है, से लेकर कैसे हम उसको सेफ़ और हेल्दी रख सकते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ों पे आज बात की गई यहाँ पे ये इवेंट में। और इसमें हमने बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस आए जिसमें लोगों का जो माइंड में डाउट्स रहते हैं कि ये इम्यूनिटी होती क्या है, इसको कैसे संभाले, इसको कौन सी चीज़ें अफेक्ट करती है, वो सारी चीज़ें आज बात हुई थी यहाँ पे।
थैंक यू।